guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Joe's World. I am glad to be back right in your faces, guys. I'm glad to be back. Guys, in case you are new here, in case you are if this is your first time to watch our channel, this is Joe's World, and kindly I beg you to subscribe, like and comment on our videos. It makes me really happy whenever I see the numbers going up. Yes guys, today is a Sunday. On this Sunday, it is a very special day for me and for my club. Guys, I'm a Rotaractor. I belong to the Rotary Rotaract Club of Garuga. Well, it's a bit confusing. Rotary and Rotaractor. Yes, there's Rotary, there's me, I'm a Rotaractor myself. So today, our club is being chartered, is going to be chartered, and our president is going to be installed, the same as the Garuga Rotary Club president. So there are two presidents who are going to be chartered today. Let me show you what I'm going to put on before we go down where the whole event is going to take place. This is the dress that I'm going to be putting on because the theme color is red. Men, anything but with a touch of red. But for us women, it's easy to get red dresses, red attires, red outfits. It's much easier than men. So that is my watch. That is my jewelry that I'm gonna use today. That is my perfume. I'm gonna use today's perfume is Gucci Guilty, and those are my shoes, matching shoes with my jewelry. And that's the clutch that I'm gonna be holding, and I'm gonna use MAC Cosmetics. That is my sister's dress right there, because we are both in the same club. We both belong to the same club. So guys, it is such an interesting day. This is what I'm going to be putting on as I'm going. So I'll put on the main dress from down there. It's a very special day for us and for the club, for both our clubs, the mother club and also the Rotaractors club. I'm really excited, guys, and I cannot wait to take you along with me on today's special day. Welcome, guys.
Welcome to the entrance of the inter-service beach. It is the venue for our today's event. It's a beautiful place, but typical of Uganda, before you get into any place, you have to first go through security checks, and that is what is happening right now. As you can see, the car in front of us, the policeman is trying to to check, detecting in case of any ammunitions, in case of any firearms which are not allowed. We get in. This is the place. We have the banners right there. Supervision Authority. You've seen the one for Rotaract Club of Garuga already. So let's just continue. Let's just drive to the parking. There's still a few vehicles, as you see. It's right there, but trust me, people are gonna be many. So these are the presidents of today.
Joe's World welcomes you once again. It's a special occasion today, presidential installation. It's a joint presidential installation for charter president Clinton, because the Rotaract Club of Garuga is being installed today. It is so special for all of us, and also the president of Garuga Rotary, the mother club, is also getting installed today. It's so special, guys, and we thank our partners, Civil Aviation Authority and other partners who have come along to make this occasion very, very colorful. sorry guys, slip of the tongue. So everything is going on well. Preparations are going on. As you can see, tables are already laid. Everything is looking so beautiful. Everybody, most people are smartly dressed. Other people are still organizing the kitchen. People are still organizing our meals. But as for the decorators, everything is set. Guys, it's a very nice day today. Rotaract Club of Garuga, don't forget that. Rotary Club of Garuga, Entebbe Corridor.
I like the colors which have been used today in decorating. They have been blended so well. That blue, together with the yellow. There's a way they, and white. There's a way they, really look so corporate, so nice. Oh, guys, just give me your opinions. What do you think about these colors? Just tell me. Now, some of you are there asking about, what does Rotary do? Rotary, as it says, as the theme is, create hope in the world. That is what Rotary does. It gives hope to the hopeless. It creates hope in the world. Where people are losing hope, that's where Rotary will come in, give those people hope. It's a very nice thing. It is all about serving humanity. Music system is going on. We're gonna dance, we're gonna shake. So beautiful, guys. Those are certificates to be awarded to members. And now let's go check out the cocktail table. What is happening? See what is happening? Preparations underway. You're gonna be so, guys. A little pause doesn't kill, so that is me there trying to pause, feeling the moment. I am in the vibe. It's the vibe for the celebration. It's a happy day. And this is me and Susie, my club member. She's also a Rotaractor like me. Yeah, we are very happy. Right there is the president with the district governor and the incoming president, Garuga. Guests are already here. Everybody's smartly dressed. Cameras all over the place. It's so nice. And this side, that is the parking. Very spacious parking space here at the inter-service beach in Garuga. Down here in Garuga. We are on the table. Right me there. I am on the table, ready to welcome our guests. As you see me right there, I'm welcoming guests. Actually, because the things are by invitation, so we have to make sure we are getting the right guests. pleasure to take part in the serving of our guests and also the club members. I like doing such things, guys.
In your capacity as the president and in your effort to create hope in the world, please, this is my personal gift to you. It's a photo containing you and me. Please keep it till eternity. I value so much as my Hope Better President, and thanks for accepting to serve with me as you get hope in the world. Congratulations.
Guys, let's all agree. Any occasion without a cake is not a real occasion, or is not a real event, or is not a real celebration. So it is time to cut the cake. And everybody was excited at this very moment. As you can see, much as it was already dark, but we were very excited, and I'm sure every person got a piece of this cake.
Thank you so much for watching our video up to the end. I am very sure whoever I started with has ended, today's edition with me. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.